There is good news and there is bad news. The good news is you have 3 months left. The bad news is you'll have to work every day, or at least you have to work even during weekdays. Significant number of weekdays. You can miss out on a day or two during the week, but out of 7 days, I think even if you're removing the weekend, out of those 5 days, you will have to work for at least 3 days. At the end of the day, this is something that you have to prioritize. If you think CAT is important, you will have to work for at least 3 days out of 5, even after you come back from work. And I'm sure you will be able to find time at least 1-2 hours every day, because I don't think any one of us is so busy that they can't take out 1-2 hours out of their time. You have to prioritize CAT and you have to prepare even during weekdays. And what I suggest for somebody who has time is to practice as many questions as they can. First, try to get your foundation correct, or try to get all the concepts clear from the important topics in quant and verbal, and try to solve LRDS as many as you can. In addition to that, you have to take one mock during the weekend for sure. That I think is like non-negotiable for somebody who is taking CAT very seriously. There are some people who feel that okay, I'm just a fresher, or I have just 1 year or 2 years of work. If I do well in CAT this time, then it is good, but this is not my really serious attempt. Those kind of students exist, and I think that is fine, because CAT is a personal decision that people can take, whether they want to go all in this year or whether they want to go all in next year. But if you're going all in this year, where you think this is the final attempt that I'm going to take, then you have to take one mock every weekend, and you have to take 2-3 sectional during the week. Why do I say that you have to do that? Because I know people who are doing that and it benefits them. So at the end of the day, CAT is a relative examination. It is a competitive examination where many people are preparing very hard. So if the others are doing it, then I think you also should try to find time out and do it.